Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy garlic rice. My rice cooker is already preheated. Now let's put in the coconut oil. Put in the garlic. We need to make it golden brown. To make it quick, you can close your rice cooker, but make sure to keep eye on it, or else you'll burn the garlic. Let's check the garlic. Oh, this is perfect. This is the time you will take it out and set aside for our garnish later. So this is it. Beautiful golden brown. And now let's put in the Annatto seeds. Let the color come out, and then we're gonna scoop it out. Look at that. So this time let's scoop out those seeds. So I already scooped out those Annatto seeds, so this time we need to put in our rice. And then mix it well. See, look at the color. Beautiful, right? And then our chicken bouillon. 1 chicken bouillon. And of course the water. So 2 cups of rice and then 2 1/4 of water. And then just put it in. And mix it. And then that's it. Just let it cook. And after that, you're gonna have a yummy rice. So our rice is cooked. Let's check it. Oh, yummy! And then give it a stir for a while. And just to make the bouillon spread evenly. All right, and we're ready for dinner. We're ready for dinner. Look at that. It smells so good. Yummy.